What's up, guys? It's November 10th, 2025. We're going to do a 10-minute breakdown of the E-mini where we talk about trap traders, second legs, and market context. If you guys are interested in seeing how I trade this live, check out the membership section where I show my winners and my losers, all based around breakouts and second legs. Today was an interesting day. I ended up getting trapped, funny enough. Sometimes you're the one trading the trap trader, sometimes you are the trap, I guess. Breakout. I bought this bar. I exited as this was selling off. I saw 4 bars in a row, so I got short. I added here, and I added here, and then I exited right around here. But I was trading 0 DTE, so around that time, the options were crushed. It is what it is. Would have been a nice day to catch this breakout pullback. I thought the market was starting to reverse as this was the first gap up above the EMA after several. Actually, this was, so kind of a misread, I guess. Yeah, it is what it is, double bottom rally from yesterday. Weekly chart on the left, daily chart on the right. On the weekly chart, every bear bar is getting faded, so you can buy every bear bar and make money. Same thing with this, this was the big bear bar at once and it ended up rallying, and now it's having a continuation. Daily chart on the right, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Testing the breakout point right here, kind of a wedge bottom in a trading range. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, very deep pullback. So we're in a trading range. Trading ranges get deep pullbacks. It's testing the breakout point. And that's leading to another leg up. We'll see if this bar strong to get follow through. But again, this spike started down here, so we need to see a trend line break, a low taken out, and then we'll see what happens if the bears get the breakout or the trend line break causes a rally. Kind of like right here. So here, see how there's a rally? Then we get a trend line break. Bears get a failed breakout at support, the EMA, and it causes a rally. That's what we're waiting to see happen now. Or is this entire structure going to get its own second leg? So it could go either way, trading range behavior. Second here. Okay. So you have a gap up, bar 1 and 2, follow through the gap up, bar 3. Bar 3 is the trading range bar, has more tail than body, and bars 4 and 5 also it's a trading range bar, but they close bearish. Here we are. Rally, sold off, rallied, trading range behavior. Bar 5 kind of tested the high of bar 1, and then you could have faded that back to the bar 2 high. So, hold on. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. And if you wanted to target the bar 4 high, that would be met on bar 12. A double top is when trap bulls buy highs, buy lower, and get out of their original price. So look here, the unfortunate bull bought the high of 4. It sold off and then rallied back. Bar 12 gave them that double top. Those trap bulls get out, and that causes enough selling. Bears want this to be a reversal, including myself. And 12 through the 20 low, strong to get a second leg, and it gets its minimum second leg on bar 27. Context is gap up, so it would take a lot for a reversal for the bears. The minimum objective for bears is 1 tick below the swing. That was met on 27, and that also happened in 3 legs. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. I thought a sell-off like this would have a stronger second leg, but if I had stuck to the market cycle, third leg, trading range behavior, bars 30 and 31, and the high tail on a 32, even down here. So this spike actually started on the 27 low to the high of 32, pulls back, and it's strong to get second leg. It's breaking out, gap up above the higher time frame EMA. Then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bar rally, strong to get second leg, and look at the fade on 42. First opposite bar, after 8 bars, you can just buy the close and go for 1 to 2R. We are trading at a new high of the day, and then look, breakout, retest on 48, and the market starts to channel. What's the market cycle? It's breakout, channel, trading range. So here we have a breakout, gap up, breakout, channels, sells off. That's the trading range. That was a bad line. That's the trading range here. Then we start to break out of this trading range. And this overall box right here is also a trading range. So a couple of different market cycles going on, but it gets the breakout. 42 is the first opposite bar. So now the market's channeling, breakout, channeling for 2 to 3 legs up, and then market cycle says trading range. 48, buy the close, good fade. 51, you can buy the close. 53 is kind of hard to buy. Let's see. If you're willing to scale in lower, you can, or you can wait for a good close like 55. So if you bought the close of 53, you would get 54 would stop you out. So bears made 1R there. Bears that short of 53 made 1R. Buy the close of 54, you make 1R, fading it back to the high here, or 53 high. It's a rally, so you can buy the close of any bear bar and you'll make money. You can buy the close of any bull bar and make money. I do like fading bars because first reversals fail, so that's the context. Look, 58 through 63 bars in a row. Trying to get a second leg, its own small second leg within this entire structure. 61 pulls back, and then you can buy the close and you get another rally. 62 to 65. Trying to get a second leg. We gotta remember. We have to remember this entire structure, but just within this most recent bars, is it Sean to get second leg? This is Sean to get second leg, but now it's getting climactic. Fading 68 would work, just buying the close for a quick scalp, but I think it's very hard buying in it because leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, and that third leg gets 3 legs. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. You're definitely in a trading range, deep pullback, sideways price action. So the setups today were there. Definitely a good day. I'm kind of upset at myself that I went in short here and I got trapped, but it happens. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Less than 2 months left of the year. Let's be smart. Let's think about what we're going to do next year, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for your time, everyone. Bye.